Hi everyone, I'm Mike Lewis, and in today's episode I'm gonna show you how I edit a golden fish. So let's start it. The first thing, I have a background from aquarium and golden fish with black background, and the first thing I do, I go to color range and then I just delete the black color, and then I correct the mask and just do some retouching to make sure that the mask is a perfect fit to my image. When I'm happy with it, I apply the mask, and then there's something that is not working for me, and this is the big fish which is beneath the golden fish, and I'm just gonna delete it using spot healing brush. I change the size of the golden fish and then I desaturate the main image to make a focus point on the golden fish. I also change the color from orangish to yellowish. And then I add a flare, and then I duplicate to increase the effect. And then I duplicate the fish and put it at the top and change the blending mode to soft light. And I will increase the flare. I'm creating with a yellow brush a light at the center, and then I change the blending mode to screen. And then I'm just using some particles and place them at the top of the image. Then I use a brush with a flow on about 50% and I paint on the mask. Then I duplicate the particles and make them bigger, and I put them on the foreground and blur them a bit. I put some bokeh effect on the sides of the image. I blur them a bit also. And then I just lower the brightness on the background to make the fish pop out a bit more. I change a bit the hue saturation on the background. And then I just duplicate our main fish and I just put this new layer at the top. And I change the blending mode to screen and the opacity around 30%. Then I correct flare a bit. And when I'm happy with the image, I move to camera raw filter and then I play with some values. It's important to increase the clarity to give the image a bit of nice sharpness. I play with some colors, I add some grain. And then when I'm happy with this, I apply the effect and then I move to field blur and just play with some values here and there, just to make the focus on a fish a bit more. And I move and add some chromatic aberration. And for the final touch-ups, I play with color lookups. And the last thing is to add some vignette. And that's it for today's lesson. I hope you liked it. Please leave a like, subscribe and comment to see more of this kind of videos. To the next time, bye.